Hi, I'm Marna, and Deron has come up with something fantastic, at least in my eyes. He has that 3D printer, as I have said before, and he's been printing just all kinds of fun doll stuff for me. And one of the things he printed was this Barbie. This was on Thingiverse, and he printed this Barbie stand. And I really liked it. And he said, you know, I could probably make one of those for your Bratz dolls. So he looked at it and he measured, and he did the first one, and it didn't work out real well. And it's so funny because the B did not print, and it came out rats, which is what people used to say when things went wrong. Instead of like, dang it, they'd say rats. So I thought that was funny. But as you can see, he did get it perfected, and I love this because he says what actually he changed it up too. He moved the feet, what would you call this? The feet stand in towards the middle, so it's a little more stable. The B works out. He actually redid all of that. And I love this because the dolls are pretty stable in there. And the stands that hold them around the waist, the Barbie stands just are not right for the Bratz. And the metal stands, which I really like for the most part, really pull on in my opinion, pull on the Bratz clothing. That I do not like. As you can see, she got ready for 4th of July, and this little cutie got ready for 4th of July. And she's not ready yet, her pants aren't due. But let me show you something. Deron sat and measured all of these different feet. These are an individual thing. And as you can see, he printed them in the different sizes, including and not limited to this young man. Now, I know the guys can stand without a stand, but look how stable he is. If he gets hit or jostled, or my cat jumps up on something, he is not going to fall and knock everybody else down on the way. One of the other things that Deron did, here, let me put these girls back, and look how they just snap in. I really like these. And her big old feet, why did they think that was a good idea? Anyway, it's cute. When he did some of the measuring, this is an individual and this is an individual, because this girl, I wanted her stand in black because her shoes were black, but the first one he did kind of scraped her shoe, so, and that was this, and that'll fit someone else. I've already tried it. So he made these to check the size before he made the entire stand. When he finished that, I have this little skater, and I love her, and I'm very protective of her. I'm like, yeah, don't put my skater in one. So he comes out, I was in the other room, and he comes out and he said, what if I made a stand and put a hole in it, because she has a key, or a keyhole on the bottom, and what if I made a key to fit up in there and put that on the stand? And we did it in purple to match. He's so cute. When he made the key, he said, first he made, it was like the 3 bears. One was too big, one was too small, and one was just right. So when you put this in the keyhole, she will stand or she will skate. How cool is that? And like it, oh, she needs to put her arms out because nobody can be in that position without their arm out, right? This one has really big feet, like the girl in the sandals getting ready for 4th of July. But she's a little soccer player or some kind of player. And he made this in orange to match her outfit, and her feet fit in there. She's very, very stable. Deron has set up a link in the description for the models that he has made for these stands on Thingiverse. If you know someone or if you have one yourself, a 3D printer, you can go to the link and print the Bratz stands for your dolls too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.